ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, it is time to get yourself comfy and sit tight for my favourite time of the year. I am marking this video of the official beginning of the autumn content. Yes, dare I say it, autumn. I know that triggers so many people that are like, oh my god, it's too early. I'm really sorry if this offends you, but look, as you all probably know by now, because I've said this so much in other videos, you need to buy autumn stuff now. If you are someone that likes to decor for autumn, if you are someone that just wants to buy a pumpkin candle, you need to go out to Homesense to get it now, because Homesense officially gets their autumn decor in like end of June, I think it was this year, beginning of July, and trust me, the good stuff sells out fast. You know, before you know it, stores are 3-4 months ahead, Christmas stuff will be in, and yeah, basically you'll have missed your spot to get all the good autumn home decor. So yeah, I know this is a little bit early. I mean, I say it's early, we're actually nearing like the last week of August now, so yeah, I think this is about right. I mean, I don't mean to be a mood killer of summer, because I for one have absolutely bloody loved the summer this year, but as you guys know, autumn, winter is when I come alive. The fashion, just the outings, just the coziness, just every single thing about it. And yeah, I can't get enough. I'm so excited this year to decorate somewhere new. I'm not going to ramble on. You've seen the title of this video. Today, I'm bringing you my autumn decor haul. And I'm so freaking hot right now because it is still so warm and humid. I thought I'd be like all cute and cozy and try and at least make it look like I'm cold and like in the autumn mood, but yeah, who am I kidding? It's still so warm outside. Right, anyway, sit back, relax, get yourself a drink, because I'm going to run you through some autumn decor home pieces that I've picked up this year. So I did say to myself, I'm not buying anything. I've got a hair on my lip, which is so annoying. But yeah, I told myself this year, not buying anything. I've already got 2 big boxes, to Mitchell's dismay, out in the storage unit. So yeah, I don't necessarily need anything, but look, I'm not gonna lie, you guys have been hyping me up. Like, as soon as I did a little sneak peek of stuff in the Homesense like a few weeks ago on my vlog, every one of you in the comments was like, Laura, where's the autumn content? Please show us like what you're picking up. And I was like, look, I've got to do it. I've got to get some new bits. And also, hello, like I feel like shops are really getting into like autumn home decor this year. Next, they're absolutely killing the game. Matalan have just started getting a few gorge bits in. And yeah, Homesense as always is just unreal. And I feel like they're getting better every year. So yeah, anyway, not going to chew your ears off. Let me show you what I picked up for my autumn home decor this year. And by the way, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, hi, I'm literally obsessed with autumn, Christmas, everything like that. So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Okay, right, let's jump straight in. I don't even know where to start. I'm so excited. Right, I think we shall start with next. Get the stuff that you've probably seen on every other YouTuber's autumn video so far out of the way, because I know it's been extremely popular this year. But yeah, if you haven't already been in to your local Next Home, please have a little look, because they are killing it. They've got some unreal pieces, and yes, I couldn't resist getting my hands on some. So first thing I picked up is the famous woven pumpkin. Like I say, I feel like everyone has picked this up in their autumn decor haul this year, but my theme right this year, guys, I'm actually taking out some colour. I feel like every single year I always do kind of like typical traditional autumn orange. You know, last year I had some mint green in there, and as much as I love that, I know it's a traditional colours, I feel like sometimes when I incorporate too much of that into my home, it just makes me feel like, oh, I don't know, like it doesn't make me feel happy and just like warm and cozy. It makes me think, oh my god, I just want my like living room clean again. So I just want to keep it kind of like neutral and like my living room, but like pops of autumn in, if that makes sense. So we're going to go for like a whitewash, like woven, wicker kind of things, that vibe I reckon. So I thought this would tie in really nicely. It is like a little basket, so you can take the lid off. £28 though, pricey. But yeah, this will come out every single year now. Not really sure what to put in there. If you have any ideas, do let me know. But yeah, that was just so cute and I couldn't resist. So that was the first thing I picked up from Next. And then the next thing I picked up were the coasters. So they did actually have wooden chopping boards next to these coasters, which, oh my goodness, unreal. I did actually buy like an autumn leaf chopping board last year, so I don't need a pumpkin one. But yeah, picked up these because I couldn't resist. They have like hello pumpkin. They're in this nice like little stack so they can sit on the side. I just think they're so freaking cute. Again, £18, so not the cheapest, but yeah, I just couldn't resist those, and they'll tie in with my theme. And then the last thing I picked up from next, so I have been looking absolutely everywhere for like the perfect doormat, and I don't know, like for me, when I see something I have to be like, oh my god, I love, need, add it straight in my basket. But I've not really seen many that are like that. I feel like all the Homesense ones are very like Halloween, and I just wanted something neutral. So anyway, I ended up going back to this one that I saw in next, and it's simply a pumpkin. This is what it looks like. It is £16. It's really good quality. I was looking at buying one from Etsy, but they're all about like £35–40 for the standard size of doormat, and yeah, just for something I'm only going to use for seasonal decor, quite a lot to pay. So I thought I'd just go with the next one because it's still super cute and real good quality. So yeah, love that. Right, where do we go next? You know what, I need to get it over and done with because the excitement is killing me. Probably one of my favourite finds for autumn decor this year. I mean, I don't even have any words for this. My wreath. Oh my god. Just how stunning is this, guys? Like, I can't even get over how gorgeous this wreath is. Now, did I want to pay £28 for a autumn wreath? Absolutely not. My budget was like £15, but as soon as I saw this in Matalan on Friday, I was like, oh my god, you're coming home with me. I can't leave the store without this. So yeah, I ended up getting it. Honestly, it is the best autumn pumpkin wreath that I have seen in a long time. So I went Homesense, I just went like all the typical shops that sell kind of autumn decor, and nowhere had a pumpkin wreath like this. It's so big as well, so yes, it's £28, yes, it's a little pricey, but let me tell you now, the quality is absolutely unreal. It's a real big wreath, and yeah, you got all your little pumpkins on, your berries, like faux pampersy grass thing without like flaking like faux pampas grass. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So gals, I feel like if there's one thing you get out of this haul, it needs to be this wreath. Yeah, to be honest with you, I feel like Matalan are just starting to get their bits in because there was a real nice like pumpkin mug that was only like £4.50. They had some like ramekins, a throw. They were starting to get little bits in. I feel like they've not fully got all their autumn stuff in yet, but yeah, I resisted with everything else because I didn't need it, but I had to get that. Okay, moving on to the next few bits I'm going to share with you, and I actually come across a new home interior website. I love it when I find these new cute websites that sell just the most aesthetic and gorgeous home decor bits, and this website is called Ivy Grey Interiors, I believe. I will link everything in the description box for you, but honestly guys, they have some gorgeous bits, not just for autumn, but I think they do a lot of seasonal decor, to be fair, but even just like cups and stuff just for a standard occasion. They have some beautiful bits. But yes, I did notice that they had some gorgeous home decor in. So what did I pick up? I think I picked up 4 things. Yes, I did. So starting off actually with this like wooden, I don't really know what it is, a wooden stand. Basically, they did a lot of styling on their website using this, and they put like a curl, a pumpkin, and I just thought how cute, like this will look really nice in my kitchen. I mean, it's not just for autumn, I'll definitely be using this for other seasons, or you could just leave it out on your kitchen worktop full time. Yeah, I just thought this was so cute, and I feel like it was quite inexpensive as well. I'm not going to be able to list prices off the top of my head, but yeah, I will leave links. So I got that to begin with. And then, I did buy a new autumn pumpkin mug. I wasn't going to because I already have a big stash, like I've already said, in the storage unit thing, but I just couldn't resist this one. And it is this gorgeous white pumpkin mug with black handle and polka dots on. How beautiful is that? It's stunning. The quality is amazing. And I think what drew me to it the most as well is the fact it had this matching little side plate to go with. How adorable is that? Like, just how sweet are those two together? So yes, expect to see a lot of content on Instagram in pictures using these because I just think they are so freaking cute. And again, they're really like inexpensive in my opinion. And then the last thing I picked up from Ivy Grey Interiors was this cute autumn sign. So again, it's just got the like wood, and it says autumn, pick a pumpkin, collect conkers, snuggle up, hot chocolate, walk in the woods, firework displays, autumn leaves, dark nights. I just thought that was really sweet and just something to again display on the side somewhere. Not really sure where, but I just like the look of that. They did a few different ones, so yeah, definitely check those out. So yeah, was really impressed with that website. Definitely check them out, guys. And then next up, I actually went into the garden centre a couple of months ago, and they had these little like gold pine cones reduced. How nice are these? Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put these or what I'm going to do with them, but they were £6 reduced to £3. So I just thought I'd pick up 2, and I'll definitely find somewhere to use them. But yeah, thought they were really sweet. I'm so warm. I need to take this jacket off, but I don't want to. I need to be uniformed throughout this video. Right, so yeah, that is that. And then the next place we are going to go to is good old Homesense TK Maxx. Definitely probably the best place to shop autumn decor in the UK. I mean, we don't have like Trader Joe's and Home Goods. I mean, I think Home Goods is actually similar to Homesense, I believe, in America. But yeah, I'm so jealous of all you Americans and like all the amazing shops you have for autumn and Halloween decor. I feel like we're slowly getting there with like autumn and Halloween, but yeah, we're not fully there. Anyway, so let me show you the things I picked up from Homesense. So these are definitely across a couple of visits. I feel like every time I went in there, I was like, oh, I'll get that. Oh, I'll get that. Considering I said I wasn't getting anything, I've slowly accumulated quite a few bits. So first thing I picked up is one candle. I only got one candle this year because I already have a cupboard full of autumn candles from last year that I didn't burn or use. So I couldn't justify getting loads, even though they do have so many gorgeous candles this year. So the one I went for is this. It's got farmhouse cookies on. I really like the cork lid. Just thought this looked so cute, and again kind of fits in and ties in nicely with my theme this year. Oh, it also smells unreal. $8.99. A little bit spenny, but yeah, it's cute. I'm also going to try this recipe as well. It sounds really nice, farmhouse cookies. So grabbed that. I then also picked up these tea towels. These tea towels feel unreal quality. Like, to be honest with you, we need some good old tea towels in the kitchen. Mine are them like ones where when you dry your plates, like they leave bits on them. Yeah, they're just not good. So these are $10.99. Pricey as far as tea towels go, but yeah, they feel unreal. The quality's so good. So they're just these black and white pumpkin ones, which I really liked. Right, then I picked up, oh, this little ramekin dish from Homesense. So this was only $4.99. And how cute is this? So it's just white, it has these like specks on. Obviously you open it up. It does actually say it's a mini pumpkin casserole, but I'm definitely gonna like make my soup in here and eat soup out of a pumpkin ramekin dish. I just think that's so adorable, so yeah, I got that. And then the last thing from Homesense, oh, I lied, I did actually get 2 candles, but this was more for like the aesthetic and decor to go on my coffee table, I think. But yeah, I picked up this candle, so it's just like this, it's kind of like a white, shiny, is it like an opal colour? Can you see? It's like reflective, it's so beautiful. But yeah, I just really like the colour of that. And again, it smells unreal. I think it's like vanilla pumpkin scented. Oh, so good. It's a free wick candle. And it was, I'm not sure how much it was. It doesn't have the price on. But I remember seeing this in Homesense early, like July. Yeah, it came in like really early. And there was only one on the shelf and I was like, I need that. That is going to sell out. So yeah, I grabbed that. Okay, and the last thing I picked up from Homesense, really random, but I picked up this pasta. It's actually in, as you can see, like this autumn leaf shape. I just thought this was so cute, and you guys know I love to do a good old routine video when it comes to the autumn months, like a autumn morning routine, autumn evening routine. I just thought this pasta would be really nice to use in one of those videos and make like a nice pasta dish together and make it look all aesthetic. So yeah, and I bloody love pasta. This was $2.79. Cute. Okay, and then the next thing I picked up was actually from Asda. I feel like Mitchell has played around with this and broke it. I'm not sure. I might be able to get it to go on, but he was playing around with it and he was like, oh, it doesn't fit on. I don't, men for you guys, don't let them touch your autumn stuff. But anyway, I picked up this gorgeous soap dispenser. I feel like this was maybe like £5. They also did like a matching tumbler to go with it, but I'm not going to put it in the bathroom. I'm pretty sure I'm going to just put this in the kitchen, just for like the soap in the kitchen. That's so annoying. I'm going to try and get Mitchell to fix that. I'm sure he will. But yeah, So cute. Asda are definitely like getting some autumn things in as well. I went in there the other day and I noticed a few like duvet sets and things creeping in. So yeah, I feel like some stores are very like on the ball now and have things out really early, whereas I feel like some are just starting to get them out now. But anyway, I grabbed that from Asda because I liked that too. And then moving on to Amazon, I actually only picked up one thing from Amazon this year because I don't need anything, and I feel like Amazon every year is always quite samey. Like I've already picked out the things from Amazon and got them in my, you know, my autumn decor box. All I got from Amazon this year was just this tray. It's just a whitewash like wooden tray, and I think I might use this on my coffee table and place like, you know, little bits on, like not necessarily that, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I got. I think it's like £10 or something. So I thought that was quite sweet. And then, last but certainly not least, I went to Primark. Now, Primark are also just getting all their autumn pumpkin Halloween bits out. So I picked up a few bits. I don't know if I'm going to return this. So I went into Primark before I went into Matalan. So I saw this before I saw the ultimate wreath. And I thought this was really cute and I was going to DIY it. It's just simply like a purple eucalyptus wreath. It was only £10, so definitely a lot cheaper than the Matalan one. And I was initially just going to go and get some white plastic pumpkins off Amazon and just stick them on, maybe a bit of pampas grass too. So yeah, you could definitely do that and DIY it, and I still think it'd probably be much cheaper than the Matalan one. But yeah, as soon as I seen the Matalan one, that had to go in my basket. So yeah, I might keep this, I might not. I could put it in maybe like the living room, just on a door handle or something and make it look cute. So yeah, grab that. They did actually have a similar kind of looking wreath to the Matalan one in Primark actually. I feel like they had it last year, but it just isn't as good quality, it isn't as built up. So again, I think it was £10, but you could definitely buy it and build it up a lot more. So that could always be an option as well, if you didn't want to spend £28. And then the last couple of things I picked up, they had these cute pine cone candles in. Now I'm definitely not going to burn them, but again, I just thought to put on my like little wooden kind of like display things, these would be really cute. These are £3 each. They're unscented candles, but yeah, they're just in the shape of a pine cone, which again, just thought was really sweet for autumn. On to the last thing I picked up from Primark. So I saw this in there like a week ago and I kind of like walked past it and was like, meh. But then I was like, no, I need a little something for my coffee table. And actually, I think this is quite the right size. So this was £6. It's a little vase and then it comes with this. I'm not going to name this flower because I don't want to be demonetized, but if you know what it's called, you'll know what it's called. It's a rude word and then willow. I mean, yeah, I don't know if I can say that on YouTube and I'm scared of saying it in case it demonetizes me. So yeah, anyway, picked up this from Primark, £6. Just thought it was a cute vase with some autumn artificial foliage flower. Is it a flower or I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I got that and I thought that was really sweet too. Anyway guys, that concludes my autumn decor haul. I really hope you have enjoyed it. This has got me so excited to decorate the house for autumn, which I feel like now I've done this video, we're just going to go full force into autumn content because, look, like I say, it's nearing the end of August. I know a lot of you will appreciate this and are on the same wavelength with me, loving autumn and decorating the house and all that kind of stuff. And I think it's nice to get the inspo out early, you know? So if you do want to decorate your house and stuff for autumn, then you can come here and get some inspo hopefully. So anyway, thank you so much for watching as always guys. If you have enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you give it a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and yeah, I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye!